Hello, good morning. What's your name?
I'm Lailin Rasmus.
How old are you?
32 years old, sir.
Do you marry?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the children?
Yes, sir.
How many children?
One, sir.
How old?
4 years old, sir.
Is a boy or girl?
Girl, sir.
What is your educational attainment?
College level, sir.
How many years in the college?
1 year college, sir.
What course?
BS in agriculture, sir.
Or BS in agriculture?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to doing in the farm?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing in the farm?
Like planting corn and planting palay, sir.
Or you know how to planting rice, planting corn?
Yes, sir.
Do you explore?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Qatar, sir.
Are you working in Qatar?
Yes.
How many years you working in Qatar?
2 years, sir.
When you was in Qatar, how many person you take care?
5, sir.
Sir, madam?
Sir, and 3 children.
Oh, they are 3 children. How old of the 3 children?
The one is 7, sir, and then 5, then 3 years.
How many housemates together?
Only one, sir.
Or only you?
Me.
How big of the employer house?
2 stories, sir.
2 story.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing every day?
Washing, ironing, and cleaning, sir. And see the baby.
How do you take care of the children?
By feeding them, sir, and by taking a bath, change the dress.
Do you send them to the school?
Yes, sir. Sometimes I send them.
Do you paying with them?
Yes, sir.
You also paying with them?
Yes, sir.
Then after Qatar, you working in Dubai?
Yes, sir.
How many years in Dubai?
2 finish contracts, sir.
Oh, 2 years. When you was in Dubai, how many person you take care?
5 also, sir.
5 also. They have the children?
Yes, sir.
How many children?
3, sir.
How old?
9, 7, and 2, sir.
Or almost the same
Yes,
with
sir.
the Qatar.
Yes, sir.
Then, do you know how to cooking when you was in Middle East?
Yes, sir. I know.
What do you cook?
Like basbousa and cooking rice. Like that,
Is it
sir.
good taste?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to cook in Filipino food?
Yes, sir.
For example,
Adobo manok and pinakbet and adobong carne. Like
do you
that.
cooking every day?
Yes, sir.
You cooking every day.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are you doing?
Sorry, sir.
Only a housewife?
Yes, sir. I'm housewife.
If you going to Hong Kong, who take care of your kid?
My husband, sir.
Or your husband?
Yes, sir.
What are he doing, your husband?
She is a farmer. He is a farmer, sir.
Oh, he also is a farmer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you also, sir.